I'm on my boat. It is just spring, a few days ago, and there's my house. And I am high up on this boat right now because it's on my trailer, and I am going to get it in the water really soon. I'm really excited about that. But I'm trying to get the snow off of it because it's, it's a well. It's had a lot of snow in it. You can see my solar panel in the background, my tub over here, and my house behind me. And I'm going to show you inside my boat. So here's my solar panel and my hatch, and I'm standing right now with the doors, and it's full of it's the doors I made. It's kind of a mess in here. Well, I wouldn't say it's a mess really, but it's, I guess it looks a mess to you, but basically those are sails and bedding that you have to really wrap up, or else they're going to get moldy and, yucky in the winter. Those are my curtains. And that is all my dishes and my table. And this table moves. I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to move it. So I moved it so it's like this. It's really tiny. And I will show you better pictures in the summer, but there's my solar panel and my fuse box, and I should say my switch box, and my panel is reading at 13.8, which is good. That means the battery made it for the winter, which is fantastic. I was a little bit concerned about that. And let's see what's over here. And here's the inside of my boat, the outside. And here's my sink, which I'm not really done with. But because I'm done with it, but I didn't plumb it. So that's how I'm not done with it. It's cool though, because it's a octopus and it's made out of fiberglass, like I did my bathtub in my house. This is a plywood, maple plywood, and it is epoxied. And same with the other side. This side is actually for, that's a countertop, but I use it for my cook stove, and that's where I have that. So I am really excited about the summer. And here's my lights. My lights are really cool. I like them a lot. They're fantastic and they work really great. And I basically turned this boat from here's another light, and I have one on the other side. Turn this boat from a $200 boat into a $4,000 boat. So it's definitely worth it. And these are cool. These are like bronze, like water sea monsters. I just love them. They're so cool. And I have two of them, one on each side, that frames the bed. Anyway, I just want to show you that. So, great. And look forward to, there's my anchor. Look forward to the summer. And I just wanted to show you some pictures of the interior when it's all done up nice and pretty.